Chapter 1. Turn studying into a feedback loop game. The brain loves progress, but it needs to see it. So create a visible feedback loop every time you study. Use charts, trackers, even a wall full of sticky notes that reflect how much you've accomplished. Each session adds to the loop, rewarding your effort and building momentum. It's not just about what you learned, it's about proving to your brain that you're moving forward. And when your brain sees proof, it starts craving more. This isn't about gamification for fun, it's about addiction through accomplishment. Build your system so that progress looks and feels obvious, and watch yourself get hooked on the growth. Chapter 2. Associate studying with high performance states. Athletes warm up before a game. Musicians tune their instruments before a show. High performers create rituals, and you should too. Build a short, consistent pre-study ritual to trigger focus. Music, breathing, stretching, even lighting a specific candle. Why? Because it teaches your brain that it's a go time. Over time, that ritual becomes a signal. It flips your mental switch from lazy to laser focused. When repeated enough, the act of studying feels like entering a state, not doing a task. This habit-forming loop is rooted in neuroscience. Repetition links behavior to emotion, and when you feel powerful entering a study session, your brain chases that feeling again. Chapter 3. Pay most of your focus on one single thing. Let's be real, school teaches us many stuff, in hope we'd understand all of the stuff they teaches us. Math, science, history, English, and other classes. But seriously, we're not going to use all of them, are we? In fact, we're not going to use most of them. If you want to become an engineer, learn civil engineering. If you want to become a coder, learn computer science. I'm not telling you to just learn on single thing, but I am telling you to focus on that one thing, more than anything. Everyone's got a potential. Everyone have a dream. It's their choice to waste their potential and bury their dream, or find out what they're really supposed to do or be in this world. Chapter 4. Build emotional triggers around study zones. Your environment wires your mind. If your desk feels like a battleground, your brain will resist. But if it becomes a place of peace, focus, and accomplishment, your brain will start craving it. Design your space not just for minimal distraction, but for emotional resonance. Add visuals that inspire you, scents that calm you, and textures that make you want to sit and stay. Turn your study zone into a sanctuary. Over time, your brain will start associating that physical space with deep work and success. It becomes your productivity anchor. Even a simple chair can train your mind if it's always paired with focus. Chapter 5. Expose yourself to mental hunger. We're often told to avoid burnout, but what if we flip the idea? Intentionally create a little mental hunger. Temporarily stay away from information and then dive in all at once. For example, take a 48-hour break from content. No YouTube, no TikTok, no Wikipedia holes. Then come back to a topic you're curious about and let your brain feast. This controlled deprivation boosts your curiosity like crazy. Your mind starts craving stimulation again. Except this time, you're directing that craving towards something useful. It's like intermittent fasting for the brain. Intense focus becomes a reward. Chapter 6. Train for flow state like an athlete. Flow isn't magic. It's trained. Set up 90-minute windows where you're completely locked in. No checking the time, no switching subjects. One goal, one zone. At first, your mind will fight it, but after a few sessions, it begins to slip into deep focus more naturally. You're conditioning your cognitive endurance, just like a runner builds stamina. Flow is where addiction starts. You feel unstoppable, time vanishes, and the work actually feels good. That's the zone you want to live in. And yes, you can train yourself to enter it on command. Chapter 7. Make study your escape, not your burden. Most people use studying to escape failure. Flip it. Use it to escape mediocrity. Let studying be your escape from small talk, from distractions, from a version of you that isn't growing. Frame it as self-care, not self-pressure. A moment in the day where you pause the noise, sit down, and build yourself in silence. That's not punishment, that's power. When studying becomes the most peaceful, powerful part of your day, addiction isn't far behind. You'll crave that focus, that growth, that sense of self-control. If you think this video is helpful, please give it a like to boost it onto other people's homepage and help them get better grades. Subscribe to my channel for more tips in life and share this video to someone who needs to be addicted to studying instead of playing games. YouTube thinks you'll like the video on screen, so give it a shot. See you next time.